Today, I'm working on the restoration of an ancient coin from the Moldavian Principality. At the client's request, I'll be repairing and closing the hole that was made in the coin long ago. The first step is thoroughly degrease the hole in the coin. In order to prevent thermal exposure from soldering, which could destroy the original patina, I avoid soldering and use a repair stick to fill the hole. The hole is carefully sealed, and then I wait for the repair stick to fully harden. Next, I remove the excess material and recreate the design. Would you like to know the history behind the objects I restore? Finally, we blend the tiny repair with patina and seal it for preservation. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Your support really helps the channel grow.